Okay, so you guys will be the first to see one of these out in the wild in Australia. I've actually had this one for a while to play with, but I had to keep it under wraps. It's a Ecoflow Delta Pro 3. It's their latest release. Make sure I get the name right. Beautiful screen on it. It is 4 kilowatt hour battery, latest LFP design, so it has a cycle life of something like 4,000 cycles to 80%, 11-year minimum life to 80%. It has 15 amp sockets standard on the front, your normal USB. On the side, it has a very interesting 16 amp industrial 3-pin socket. They're like the blue plugs that you see, different places. The front has a carry handle, so you can pick the whole thing up. It's got wheels on the back to move it around. On the side, it has Anderson power pole connectors for 12 volt out. That can handle up to 30 amps. A CAN bus connector for display screens and stuff like that. And that's your normal barrel connector for 12 volt. Oh, the case is done in UV resistant hardened plastic. Quite a tough case. And the back connectors. Sorry, this is all very impromptu. I just wanted to put a video up on the new Facebook group so people can see one of these, because yeah, I can't say too much, but there's going to be a limited amount in Australia as an intro thing. So on the back, all your little covers can actually fold in away. So you got your normal 240 volt input, fast or adjustable charging via the app for what it draws through that port. Sorry, the cat's already been all over this. I've had it for a while. These are your solar inputs, also your car cigarette light input if you want to do that. So this one has a fairly high voltage tolerance. I think it's something like 1600 watts of solar panels can go on this port, and then another 1000 watts into the low voltage port. It'll take 2 extra batteries. Both can be an additional 4 kilowatt hours. You can also get adapters to put your alternator charger on these ports, or generator, etc. And this one is very interesting. This is what they call the in-out port. And with other accessories and things, I'll get into it at a later stage. But basically, you can get a switchboard panel for your house. It's called the Smart Home Panel 2. And the whole unit, actually up to 3 of these units with up to 2 additional batteries each, plus generators, etc., they can all be interfaced into your actual house via a proper switch panel that can be provided by Ecoflow. So yeah, anyhow, that's it. The Delta Pro 3. I'll do a proper video. As I say, this is rushed. I just wanted to put something up because these have actually been released as of today, and yeah, people can buy them. And surprisingly, my affiliate link and my discount code will take an extra 6% off, which I was told it's not supposed to, but if people want to buy one and use the code, you'll get it even cheaper. Okay, I'll throw this up on Facebook. If anybody's got any questions, yeah, give me a yell.